This thumb indicates what? Outward. Then outward indication is z axis. That will be k cap. Right here, magnitude of I cap is how much, ma? 1. Magnitude of j cap is 1. Sin 90, 1. Into direction is k cap. So final answer is what, ma? K cap. Always wherever you will get I cap cross j cap, you can replace it by k cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ I cap cross j cap ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? k cap. So have you got this one? By this formula. Similarly, if it is j cap cross k cap, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? j cap, k cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So like this. So j to k. thumb ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡತೈತಿ? x axis. x axis ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇದೆ? I cap. So just write here magnitude of j cap, magnitude of k cap sin 90 into n cap. So again magnitude of j cap value is how much, ma? 1 into k cap value is 1 into sin 90 is 1 and direction is towards the x axis, that is I cap. And finally you can replace, if it is a j cap cross k cap, you can replace it by I cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. So concentrate here. And third one, what is that? K cap cross I cap is equals to formula magnitude of k, magnitude of I, sin theta. So sin theta is how much here? Sin 90 into direction is n cap. Always magnitude of k is 1, magnitude of I is 1, sin 90 is 1. Now direction k, outward in the ಏನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? x axis. So your fingers will be always k direction, k to x. Thumb indicates upward, upward is j. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? This is j cap. Then if it is a k cap cross I cap, you can replace it by j cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Is it clear? Dear students, reply me. Recording, sir. Right. Off ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಂಗೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So don't waste your time. We'll continue our class. So start ಮಾಡಿ YouTube. Start ಮಾಡಿರಿ. Right. So already you know that vector A cross vector B is minus of vector B cross vector A. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ. So that's why according to this you can write here, if it is j cap cross I cap, reverse ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ first one I cap cross j cap ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು. if it is a j cap cross I cap means what you will write? minus of I cap cross j cap. ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ? see here once again, this is what by commutative law vector A cross vector B is equals to minus of vector B cross vector A. Here magnitude is same but direction is not same. It is by commutative law. Here if you want to calculate this B bar cross A bar means what you will do? You will send this minus to this side now. Then what you will get? This can be written as B bar cross A bar, that is equals to minus of vector A cross vector B. Can we write? Once again, this is commutative law. From here, if you want to calculate this B bar cross A bar ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Then your answer will be minus of vector A cross vector B. Similarly, here I cap ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಮತ್ತು B ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಅದರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? I cap cross J cap minus here J cap cross I cap. What you will write? You know the value of I cap cross J cap. What is that? K cap. I cap cross j cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು k cap. Just replace here j cap cross I cap, that is equals to minus k cap. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ k ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ k ಬರುತ್ತಾ. That's it. Now go for second one. If it is a k cap cross I cap, second one is k cap cross j cap. Here it is j cap cross k cap is there. Reverse ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, it will be minus of j cap cross k cap. This can be written as minus k cap, and here j cap cross k cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so here j cap cross k cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ I cap. Just replace here minus of I cap. Let us call it is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this will be equation number 3. So here write from 1, from 2, and third one, here it is a k cap cross I cap. Adu reverse madire enagutte I cap cross k cap. What you will get ma, minus of k cap cross I cap. So k cap cross I cap ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ j cap. Just replace here j cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? So this is the set of unit vectors. Note down. Taken? Yes? ಬರ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಲೈವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? Taken? Next. I think it is a 7th point na in yesterday class. Let us see now. Cross product of two vectors in Cartesian form. Let vector A is equals to ax I cap, ay j cap plus az k cap. So this is a vector A. Now take vector B, that is bx I cap, by j cap plus bz k cap. So two vectors are there. Now you have to calculate cross product of vector A and vector B. How? Cross product of vector A and vector B. Just write here vector A is ax I cap, ay j cap, az k cap cross vector B is bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap, right? Now do cross product. So I cap into I cap, again I cap into j cap and I cap into k cap. ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಮೂರು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ax bx first term with first term. You will get I cap cross I cap. Is it clear? Next plus again the first term with the second term, that is ax by into I cap cross j cap. Now the first term with the last term plus ax bz I cap cross k cap plus. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? Now take a second term and multiply these three terms. Second term ಇಂದ ಮೂರು term ಗೂ multiply ಮಾಡಿ. What you will get? ay first term with the first, second term with the first one, bx j cap cross I cap plus second term ay with second term by into j cap cross j cap plus, again take the second term to third term, multiply. What you will get? Ay bz into j cap cross k cap plus, take a third term and multiply these three things. First one, last term with the first term, that is az bx k cap cross I cap plus, again az by k cap cross j cap plus az bz into k cap cross k cap. So this completes multiplication. Now stop writing. Everyone look at the board. See here. First you have to take a two vectors. They are given, vector A and vector B. First find out vector A cross vector B. Just note down here A cross B. Now multiply this first term with all the three terms. Ax, Bx, Ax, By, again Ax, Bz. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ना? Same. Ax, Bx, I cap into I cap. Again first term with the second. Ax, By, I cap into J cap. Again Ax, Bz, I cap into K cap. Next go for second term. This second term with all these three terms. Ay into Bx, again Ay into By, Ay into Bz. J cap into J, J cap into K cap. Similarly for a third term, take this third term and multiply to all these three terms. See here, Az, Bz in bracket K cap cross I cap. Here order is very important because negative sign is there. If it is reversed, you will get a negative sign. Again Az, By, K cap cross J cap and last K cap cross K cap. In cross product, I cap cross I cap is 0 only. Yes, right? Cross product of a vector with itself is a 0 vector. Then this gives a 0 and here J cap cross J cap gives 0 and here K cap cross K cap gives a 0. Right? Now look at second step. Remaining terms. Right here Ax, By. Now apply the formula. I cap cross J cap, how will write? So for this I will tell one trick. Here it is a I cap, here it is a J cap, here it is a K cap. Everyone please look at the board. I, J, K order wise ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? I to J. If you are moving I to J ಅಂದ್ರೆ I cross cap J cap ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅದರ opposite, that will be K cap. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? See the formula. I cap cross J cap ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? K cap ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes. Next J cap to K cap ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ I cap. Again K to I ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ J cap. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ ಎರಡರದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಎರಡರದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ I. Again ಈ ಎರಡರದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ J cap. It is what? Clockwise. Clockwise is always positive. Okay. If it is a anti-clockwise means reverse. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? J to I ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ I to K ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಮೈನಸ್ J ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಅಗೇನ್ K to J ಮೈನಸ್ I ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್, ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ answer, the next vector is negative and for clockwise answer, the next vector is positive. For clockwise answer will be positive, for anti-clockwise answer will be negative. Right? Same formula you have to apply here. So first I cap cross I cap is 0, leave it. Next one is I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap. Order wise, what is the answer here? K cap. Positive K cap. Next, this term, right? Ax bz as it is. Now look at the board. I cap cross K cap. I cap cross K cap. Andre anti-clockwise. Answer is minus j. Very important. I cap in the K cap hogta ide anti-clockwise. Answer is minus j plus third term right here ay bx. Next here j cap cross I cap. Where it is? Here it is a j cap and here it is a I cap. Again anti-clockwise. What is the answer? Minus k cap. Right here minus k cap. Now this term is 0 right here ay bz. Now j cap cross k cap, j to k. Here it is j, here it is k. j to k positive I cap. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ना? Similarly right, next term az bx into here k cap into I cap. K cap cross I cap means it is clockwise direction. You have to replace positive j cap. It is j cap. And the next term az by here k cap cross j cap. See here, here it is k cap, here it is a j cap. K to j anti-clockwise minus I cap. This term k cap cross j cap, k to j anti-clockwise minus I. Right here minus I. Then final answer vector A cross vector B is equals to, right, this is order wise I, J, K. First we will write a items. Here one item, here another item. You can take a I common. So first write AY, BZ and second is minus order wise YZ. Suffix ಏನಿದೆ order wise ಇರಬೇಕು. BY, AZ into I cap. I have considered this square and this square box. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ I common ಇದೆ. So I common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? AY BZ minus AY AZ plus ಇವಾಗ J term. I will round here. Round mark ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. J cap ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ. ಎರಡರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ? J ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. So first write positive term, that is bx az minus ax bz into j cap, and here last term k term, this is positive and here it is negative, right? Ax by and here minus bx ay. This is a k cap. So this is the long process you have to do, but there is a short method is there. I will explain. By that method you can solve more problems. Did you copy it? Taken this one. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ I cross B ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. I cap cross I cap J cap cross J cap and K cap cross K cap ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and the remaining terms you have to replace by a vector using by that short method. ಅದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Now we'll see a short method. Before going to short method you should know what is a long method. ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈ process ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. Sometimes you can't apply short trick or a short method. That time you have to use this long method only. Now method 2. Method 2. Determinant method. Determinant method. Okay na? So determinant method, first right here vector A is how much? ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, and vector b is equals to bx I cap by j cap bz k cap. Now determinant method means just to take a determinant sign. If you take a square means this will be matrices, but we are not using here matrices symbol, we are using a determinant, right? First you have to note down here I cap, j cap, k cap, only one step answer it is. So always this I will be positive, j will be negative, k will be positive. Now first ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ I j k ಬರ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ a ದ ಏನು ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ದ ಅವನ್ನ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ I cap coefficient, ax j cap coefficient, ay az, ax ay az. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಒಳಗ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ b ಬರೀರಿ. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ b ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ I cap j cap k cap ದ bx by bz, right? Is it clear? Now see how to multiply. First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ I cap is equals to I cap. I cap ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Look at the code. Just forget this row and column. So I row and I column. Just forget it. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಉಳಿತೇನಿಲ್ಲೇ this into this. ಇದನ್ನ ಮರಿತೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ that will be minus. I will write here. See, forget this one. Just order wise. yz ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್. Write here ay bz minus. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ by az. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಸ್ completed. Next I j cap ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ just avoid this row terminal of j and a column of the j column. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು j ಮತ್ತೆ row column, row ಮತ್ತೆ column ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ j ದ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. remaining terms will be what here this term and this term. That will be I will mark on multiply this one. Is it clear? Second ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ j ಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ j. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ರೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಉಳಿತೇನು ax bz, ax bz. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ bx az, bx az ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ k ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ k ರೋ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಉಳಿತೇನು take one more color, multiply this to this. This is minus and this will be minus. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಗೋತೀರಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ k cap into just avoid this k row and k column. What you will get now ax by minus bx ay. Right here ax by minus bx ay. Now compare this answer with your previous answer. You will get the same answer. Did you got? Check it. So now here vector a cross vector b is equals to right ay bz minus by az I cap minus ax bz minus bx az j cap plus ax by minus bx ay k cap. So this is the formula to find a bar cross b bar or a vector a cross vector b. Is it clear to all? So please do practice. We'll solve more problems on this concept. That is a cross product of two vectors in Cartesian form or Cartesian coordinate axis. Is it clear? Sir.